Hey, these guys sent me this dog training collar, model G5, to do an unboxing and review on. It's waterproof, it's got a color digital display, and it's got 680 feet for the remote range. And it's for dogs greater than 8 pounds. Product name, PFIXV dog training collar. Here is everything that came in the box. Got the collar, got the lanyard for the remote, got a USB cord, the directions, and then this is the prods here. They go right in the back of here. So now before I go to use this thing, I'm going to go ahead and charge them both up. So there's the plug in there for the remote, so that'll need to be charged up. Looks like, yep, right there, that's where you charge up the collar itself. So I'm going to charge them both up right now. Okay, so the longer probes here, or prods, whatever you want to call them, this is for longer haired dogs, and this is for shorter haired dogs. And this piece is to test the electrical shocking on the collar here. These pieces here just screw right in the back. There we go, got the shorter hair ones on there. Now here's the speaker, that's where the beep's gonna come out of back here. Again, that's for the charging port. Here's the on and off switch too. Just hold that down to turn it on. There we go. 4 means it's fully charged. That gives your charge right there. So here's the main features. It's actually got 4 training modes. It's got beep, vibrate, shock, and shock boost. And then the beeps are adjustable, the vibration's adjustable, this is static adjustable as well. The receiver is waterproof and the handheld remote is waterproof as well. The range 680 feet, 2,680 feet, 2-hour fast charging lithium battery. Okay, so each one has to be charged for 2 hours for full charge. So it's got the color digital display. It'll support 3 receiver collars with 1 remote. So 3 of these with 1 remote. And that's the charging port. They call it a Type C. So the flashing green light on there, you'll see it here in a second. That green means it's fully charged. If it's red, then it needs to be charged. But that flashing green is what we want. Okay, the remote's fully charged now. That's 4 bars is what you want for a full charge on there. Okay, this piece on here, this plastic piece, this is your tester. And you just hold it on this one and this one at the same time. Just set it down there. Then you take your remote right here and push. You can push the shock button and watch what happens. So push the shock right there. See that light goes on? That's how you know it's working. There's shock boost. All right, I'm just pushing these ones right here. That's shock and shock boost. Cool, it's working. There's the beep. So shock boost. There's the beep, and let me show you the vibrate function. A little closer, you can see. And shock again. That's how you do it. That easy. This thing's really nice. This remote, you can see it. You can see it when it's dark as well too. Now over here you can switch channels, and then you can also switch how many receivers you want under one remote, and you can switch to which receiver you want as well. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my buddy here. Hi, you wanna put a little collar on you? You wanna put the collar on? Let's do it, huh? Got the collar. Now, one thing you might want to do is either clip this or tie it up. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Tie it up because they'll sit and they'll chew on this. This will drive them nuts, and so you might want to trim that up. Do you like your collar? You like your collar? See if it fits real good on there. I'm going to tighten that up just a little bit. But I don't want it so tight that it's making it uncomfortable for them. I like that this has a beep function. That's usually my go-to, the beep or the buzz function. And typically don't use the shocking on them unless I really have to. These directions are actually really good. It says as far as the fit goes, should have it so tight that you can just fit one finger underneath there. That's the proper fit for this thing, between the collar and the dog's neck. Okay, for the remote, here's the on and off switch right there. Just hold that down to turn it on and off. Here's the keypad lock right here. It's locked, unlocked. For vibrate, if you press vibrate once, it'll vibrate just one time. If you sit and hold it down, you hold it down, you can see it'll keep vibrating for as long as you hold it down. That's a great function. You can just hold that sucker down for up to 30 seconds. As long as you keep your thumb on there. Pretty nice. Now if you want to adjust the vibrating level, you can get more vibration by pushing the positive sign or the negative sign for less vibration. See, that shows you right there. Because I push vibrate, I can go up to 10, or I can go down here. Same goes for the beep. There's beep level 1, which is darn loud, but I can keep going. Oh, different frequencies. That's nice. Oh, wow. That's cool. So you get actually, yeah, different frequencies there. All by the adjustment over there. Cool. Okay, so they call this static shock, and this is shock boost right there. Okay, so now if you were to do that, it's going to deliver the set amount of shock that you have it set at. You can adjust that just like the other two functions as well, all the way up to 10. As far as holding the shock button down, it'll do a continuous shock for up to 4 seconds. If you just hold your thumb down on the button, 4 seconds there. And the shock boost, what that does is it boosts it 30%. To whatever level you have this set at, the shock boost will boost it 30% more than what's being shown. Since you can train up to 3 dogs at one time on this, you're going to need a channel for each one. So you're going to want to switch the channel right there at the top, and I'll show you. See, you can see down there, it shows the dog silhouette. That's dog 1 right there. Dog 2, dog 3, and each one can have their own settings. Alright guys, this is an awesome training collar. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.